Hi friends, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I am going to Europe in just a few days, so this video is my pack and prep with me for Europe, and we are starting off strong with a haircut. I might get bangs. I'm kind of scared. I just did my makeup because I refuse to get my hair cut without my makeup, especially if I'm gonna get bangs. So yeah, let's try to find some inspo pictures. So this is one of my favorite creators and I just love her hair so much. The bangs are actually not shown very well. I'm trying to find a picture of her where her bangs show. That's what she said. Because they're like this short, but her hair is longer now. But I think I want bangs that are maybe like this, maybe slightly shorter. So basically I've wanted bangs for 2 years, but I only get my hair cut once a year. And the last time I got my hair cut, I was too scared to get bangs. So I'm gonna really try to do it this time. Unless the hairstylist is like, hey, I really don't think this will look good. I'm not super attached to my hair. I know bangs can be a bit of a commitment. They can be a little annoying, but I do usually style my hair and I can always like just style my bangs and not my full head if I don't want to. But anyways, I really want to do it. I don't think I'm going to cut much length off because like I do like the length of my hair, but I definitely need a trim. So I'm just going to ask her and be like, hey, you know, where is it kind of unhealthy? I wouldn't mind doing a bigger chop if it's really needed, but I feel like my ends are not that split. Like there's definitely some. It's not perfect. Also, I lost some nails. So, okay, let's see. I'm kind of nervous. I just found this picture and I kind of want bangs, I guess, like, is this Sabrina Carpenter? I don't know. But I don't want them full across like this. I want them to still be kind of more curtain bangs. I'm gonna just talk to her too. I'm gonna be like, this could be cute, something like this. I also am planning on getting like a keratin gloss treatment, which I've never done in my life, but I figured might as well do it for Europe. Yeah, as long as there's enough time. It's weird. They booked it for 5:15, but online the hair place says it closes at 5. So I was like, are you sure? And they were. So for Europe, I'm actually going to Switzerland and Italy. The first part is gonna be with my boyfriend's mom, and we're just gonna be like gallivanting around for about 7 days. And then I have about 6 or 7 days in Italy, and I am gonna try to film 2 videos while I'm there. We'll see how it goes. It might turn into 1. But yeah, this video is all about the prep, so let's get into it. All right, here is how the hair turned out. I got definitely like some shorter bangs, but I think they turned out super cute. I'm excited to style them. I got a little bit of length cut off, but not a ton. And I got a moisturizing treatment, but your girl has bangs now officially, but it adds like a little something. So I got my clothes mostly packed, and now I have all my toiletries here, so I'm gonna try to fit it in 1 bag, but I might need to fit it in 2. This is kind of my downfall. Like, I like to have all my products, so sue me. Do I have face wash? Okay, this is one of those times where I'm glad I thought ahead. I bought one of these little bottles because I had one for a long time, but I broke it. So I'm just gonna put my face wash in here. I don't need like all of it. Maybe I'll need most of this. My fingers hurt. I'm feeling pretty good about packing. One thing that I always have to sacrifice is shoes because I am bringing everything in a carry-on. It is just a lot easier, and honestly, it's not worth checking a bag just to bring an extra pair of shoes for me, so I definitely pack her up toy. Okay, this is my hair oil and it always gets everywhere. It's actually like all over the bottle now. I need to use this tonight because I need to wash my hair still. So I'm gonna leave this out, but I'm gonna make sure to put it in like a little baggie so it doesn't leak everywhere. And then obviously pack my brush, but I'm gonna leave some of this stuff out because my flight's in the morning, so. All right guys, part of my prep is getting a wax, so I am here. I don't wanna do this. All right guys, it's time to lock in because I'm packing for Europe. Yay, Europe. Anyways, I have a strawberry acai lemonade. I have severe ADHD. Actually, I don't know. Focusing on tasks is hard for me, but I'm gonna focus on this task so hard right now. Let me show you what I've done. I've set out some options, and then I also have some clean clothes here. So let's pack this bad boy. I have not planned any outfits, so I hope I don't regret what I bring. I wanted to plan outfits, but I leave tomorrow and I have just a few hours to pack right now, so. Weird angle. I have all of my jewelry right here, and I found this little bag that I'm just gonna put it in. So I have this really beautiful necklace that I honestly forgot that I had for a minute, but this is one of my favorites. Super full of charms and full of charm. Then I have this belt, just kind of dress up an outfit, you know. I might not be able to lay like the, no, I can do it. Then I have some earrings here. Let me give you a close up. These are like my everyday kind of hoops, but I'm gonna bring these big ones too. And then these little ones for my second piercing. These are also like my everyday rings when I wanna wear rings. I'm kind of weird about like what I wear on the plane. I don't know if I wanna wear my rings on the plane, but I probably won't wanna wear these big hoops. So they're gonna just go in here. And then I love these little hair clips, so I'm definitely gonna bring those. They might fit in here, we'll see. Okay, don't be scared. This is how I'm planning out my outfits. So I have three, ouch, I just banged my freaking shin on this corner. Anyways, 3 pairs of pants, jeans, these kind of khaki, and then this black like satin pant. Kind of more like workout clothes. I might need these for Switzerland if we're doing hikes. I should probably throw a pair of yoga pants in there too. My sister's shirt that I'm bringing back to her swimsuit because we're going to Lake Como, so I think we're gonna swim. Also, just, it's always good to bring a swimsuit just in case. I have 2 skirts, black and then a patterned t-shirt. This is a long sleeve. Then my dress is over here. Dress, 2-piece dress, random pair of shorts, tank top, tube top, tank top, tank top, tank top, tank top. I like to wear tank tops. And then I'm bringing like some little scarves as well. Then my pajamas, and I'm trying to pick out what I want my airport outfit to be, and then like socks and underwear, obviously. So let's get all of this into here. I think I'm gonna try to wear my jeans on the plane because they are pretty comfortable and that'll save me some space. Okay, I don't know why, but I thought this would take a lot longer. I'm gonna shower and wash my hair, and then I will pack as much of my carry-on as possible. So let's interrupt this packing section for a little everything shower. What up guys, it's a little bit later. I'm gonna pack my carry-on. First and foremost, I'm gonna add some shoes, an extra bag, and some random stuff honestly at the bottom here. Headband, and I'm bringing a fair amount of snacks too. Got jerky, beef stick, Cliff Bar, the best flavor of all time, donuts, and I bought some nails to put on later because I didn't get to it today, and some hand lotion. So all my snacks are going in. Then my passport, I'm gonna bring these sunglasses. I can't find my favorite sunglasses for some reason, so I'm gonna have to make do. And then these sunglasses as well, pop them in here. I can't decide if I wanna wear a pair of sweatpants or just bring a pair of sweatpants, so these are definitely gonna go with me because, I don't know, I might decide tomorrow if I wanna just wear jeans or sweatpants on this trip. And I blow dried my hair, but I'm just gonna try curling it slightly and see how it comes out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next video, which will be my Switzerland and Italy vlogs. Make sure to like this video if you haven't already, and I will see you guys later.